I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and see that I have started Python's lecture series Python programming from beginner to advanced. And I believe that you should start with doing some programs. Later you can learn about history. So in this first video, just I will start from writing hello world. So I'm going to write hello world. So you will use print function that will send output on standard output device. So I'm writing here hello Post Network Academy. And see that what happens. It will send output on the standard output device, that means monitor. Simply run it and you can see here it is written. So print function is used to send output on standard output device and in a single line. In other languages, at least you have to write 3 or 4 lines. So you can see that simplicity of Python and why it is popular. So just in first lecture, it is sufficient to write hello world. I have written hello Post Network Academy. You can write hello and your friend name. So in first lecture or in first program, just write hello world, and world may be Post Network Academy, your friend, or just you can write hello world. So thanks for watching video. Upcoming videos I will bring more concepts. So thanks for watching this.